Hello, I'm Jacques Brent, Managing Director of Toyota and Lexus at Al Futtaim Motors in the UAE. I'd like to share an important update to help you keep your Toyota and Lexus vehicles with model years between 2003 and 2017 safe and performing as they should. A global airbag recall involving components supplied by Takata Corporation remains one of the largest safety recalls in automotive history, affecting multiple manufacturers worldwide, including certain Toyota and Lexus models here in the UAE. Over time and in rare circumstances, these airbag inflators may be affected by environmental factors which could impact their performance. At Al Futtaim, our commitment to your safety and peace of mind remains our highest priority. That is why we have introduced our campaign, Don't Risk It, Fix It. If your vehicle is affected, we'll replace the airbag components completely free of charge. The process is simple and designed with your convenience in mind. The replacement takes approximately 2.5 hours and includes a complimentary oil service where applicable. And if you're unable to visit a service center, we can arrange a complimentary vehicle pickup and drop-off for added convenience. Our trained technicians and service teams are ready across our network to support you. Checking your vehicle is affected is quick and easy. Simply visit our website toyota.ae or lexus.ae where you can enter your VIN. And if your vehicle is affected, you can book online through the appointment system or you can call our call center. Taking action today is a simple step and helps to ensure your continued safety and the safety of your passengers. So please take a few minutes to check your vehicle. Do it for yourself and for those who travel with you. Don't risk it, fix it.